What's up? How's everyone doing? This is Mani again. So right now I just I purchased a new lens. It's a wide angle lens, and I can already tell the difference. It looks amazing, kind of like a GoPro. All right, so let me just set this up here real quick, and we shall start the video. Let's see here. There you go. All right. I guess that's good. Alrighty, so today I wanted to record a video in snow. So in Chicago, I don't know if you guys follow the weather or the news, but it's been a crazy snowstorm here in Chicago and actually the whole Midwest region. So I wanted to test something out in this Accord. I wanted to see how well the all-season tires, which are the Continental tires, how well they perform in snow, or at least in a slippery situation. And not only that, I wanted to test out the sport mode on the car. Ever since I purchased this car, I've never used the sport mode before, so I really don't know what the difference is between the normal drive mode and the sports mode. Now I went online and read some, did my little bit of research, and the people say that after switching into sport mode, the steering wheel becomes kind of stiff and you have better control. Alright, sorry about that, guys. But anyway, so I was saying that after switching to sport mode, the steering wheel becomes a little bit stiff, and the overall control of the car is better, and I don't know, the acceleration it's supposed to be a little bit quicker. So we'll test that out. I'm not sure if that's an accurate information or description of the sport mode, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get it. Let's start and see what the results are here. Yeah, by the way, first time ever 15% oil life, and I got that the maintenance light on. First time, never happened before in 1 year. So yeah, time to go and get the oil change on this car. Alright, so I'm gonna switch it to actually I'm gonna switch it to drive and then accelerate from here, because the roads are kind of slippery and I want to see what the difference is, if it's gonna slip or not. I felt a little bit of slip, not too much. So I mean, the acceleration, as far as the acceleration, just the normal, so yeah, you know what, let's do this. There's a lot of snow here. We're gonna stop here and we're gonna put it in sport mode, as you guys can see right there, in sport mode. And because of the snow here, I'm gonna accelerate and see what happens. Oh shit, went right through. I did not feel any slip. And the RPM is high, so I guess it's and it is kind of heavy. Like, it's driving kind of heavy. I can feel the acceleration, the pedal. There's kind of like weird weight to it. So yeah. RPM is at between 2 and 3. Accelerate. I'm gonna do the brake test to see how well it brakes with those all-season tires here in slippery road. Oh, hey, not bad at all. Accelerate. You know what, honestly guys, much better handling in sport mode. First time using it and I can already tell the difference. So one thing I definitely noticed is that from the dead stop, and if you accelerate, the car actually did not slip, and it had a better grip of the road and a little bit more weight. I felt like it was heavier, so I guess that helps in this kind of weather. I mean, it is a front wheel drive, it's not an all-wheel drive, so obviously it will slip a little bit, but actually comparing it with the regular drive mode, I already felt the difference, so not bad at all. Alright, so now I'm at the light here. I'm gonna put it in drive mode, accelerate. That was not bad at all. But in drive mode, the car does feel a little bit lighter, and it feels like you can, you know, even if you slightly move it, it's probably gonna like turn all the way like 360. It's gonna take a 360 turn, and not much control on the steering. Man, I'm telling you, it's like mountain full of snow everywhere. It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna quickly run to Aldi's, one of my favorite stores for grocery shopping. Always happen to find what I'm looking for, and then I'll catch you guys in the next clip after I'm done shopping here. Alright, bummer. So Aldi was packed up, and just for a gallon of milk, I wasn't planning on staying there for at least an hour. That's how much packed up it was. So now I'm going to Wally World, unfortunately. Yeah, not my favorite store, but oh well. At least they have speedy self-checkouts I can use. So yeah, going to Walmart. Catch you guys in the next clip. Bro, you can never freaking find a parking in Walmart. I'm telling you. You will have to at least spend a half an hour just to find a damn parking here. And if you do find a parking, it's probably going to be all the way in the back of the parking lot. So guess what? Yep, right here. All the way in the back. Man, people are lazy nowadays, I'm telling y'all. They want to park closer, and you know, lack of exercise, bruh. Come on. Park far so you can at least walk, man. It's not like you get any exercise throughout the day anyways, you know? So man, oh man, oh man. It was a zombie world back in Wally World. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to, you know, record this little quick fun video. Nothing too serious. I just wanted to see what the difference is between the normal drive mode and the sports mode. To be honest with you, I didn't see big difference, besides the actually the steering wheel did feel a little bit of heavy and more stiff. I felt like I had more control over the car, and just a little bit of more acceleration, especially when you're like around 30 miles per hour, and you know, your RPM is between like 2 to 3. That's when you actually feel you know, the acceleration is a little bit faster and your car picks up faster. But from the dead stop, if you accelerate, I did not see any huge difference. Actually, I didn't see any difference between the regular drive mode or the sports mode. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, people like hype it too much, you know, like the whole sport mode thing, and you know, I didn't see a big difference. Now I've driven the Audi S4. It was 2013. And for that car, I can say yes, there is definitely a difference when you switch it to sports mode, and mainly because that's all-wheel drive, you know, so obviously it's gonna have a better traction and better acceleration and pickup, or whatever you want to call it. But as far as this Honda Accord, I didn't see a big difference. Yeah, if you drive it in regular drive mode or sports mode, but do keep in mind, if you drive it in sports mode, it is gonna take more gas. That's just the way it is. So yeah, that was pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was, it was just a little test to see what the big difference is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel like always, and support my channel so I can get more following. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.